This is a 1957 Ferrari 250 Tour de France, free louvered covered headlight model. We've been entrusted to retrim this car back to its original specification, and during this we had some unusual findings. This car had been trimmed twice in its lifetime. We removed these covers to find some wonderful signs of original velvet, which we've recreated on the door panel, and you can see it also on the seat tops. Some black diamond stitching around the bulkhead, some fabulous findings. We're very pleased how this interior has come out, and the customer's even more delighted. During the reupholstery of this fantastic car, we had some very interesting finds. The car arrived to us with these black seat covers on. This is the seat side, and once removed we found this original seat base, which was believed to be original. It left the factory with red vinyl. Here again you see a seat side, red, inside was black. Then, after removing of that, we found these fantastic original seat sides with the red vinyl and beautiful bright velour. Who'd drive a car like that? This was the very first surface to be glued to the aluminium. There was nothing before this, and it had left specks on the aluminium, and that was a great, very conclusive find of what was originally there. Upon removing the vinyl off the door panels, with light scraping, we found underneath the foam that was placed on top was the original, and you can see slight splashes of the red velour from original. We've remanufactured these door bezels, as you can't get these anymore, and on the back of the original one you can also see the slight red velour where it's been pressed against the door panel for many years. Very, very conclusive evidence.